तो भस्मासुर 2 नहीं भस्मासुर 2 क्लास 5 तो इंग्लिश 2 नहीं Bhasmasura 2. Bhasmasura's greatest wish has come true. He is the most powerful person on earth. Will the demon use his powers wisely? Question. Bhasmasura was so overjoyed at his wish being granted that he left pencil there. Left कौन जानी थी तो? नहीं बात नहीं की leap ro past tense left car past tense leap he leapt 9 feet up in the air and would probably have been tossed the head of the god of strength if that divinity hadn't made himself invisible in a flash. Divinity माने कौन से god था जदि if he had not made himself invisible से invisible जदि न कर दे था इन ए फ्लाश ताले से ताकू भी छुई दे था नहीं he would probably have been tossed him invisible मान कौन अदृश्य very good in a flash माने इतने माने गोटे सेकंड नहीं Bhasmasura walked through the forest, shouting and yelling with joy. Sir, इतने समय कौन बोलते हैं? Bhasmasura walked through the forest, shouting and yelling with joy. Okay. So से जोर है जा पार्टी करिगिरी चलला, हाँ? Forest भितर. A tiger that had been resting. हाँ, सोया चलता था. सोई ने रेस्ट नहीं था. Rest नहीं है, है ना? Charged at him. Charged माने कौन? In anger. But Bhasmasura merely reached out his hand. Okay. Merely reached out his hand and tossed the tiger on top of its head, and the fierce animal turned to dust. So, but Bhasmasura merely reached out of his hand. Okay, Bhasmasura बाहु क्या आस्थिला? Merely reached out माने बाहर गला नहीं की reached out माने कौन बाहर out of his hand and tossed it and tossed the tiger on top of his head. कोड धरी पकेला ता मुंडर है ना and the fierce animal fierce कौन मान करो fierce animal turned to dust turned to माने बदली वाला नहीं ha shouted Bhasmasura come out all of you come and fight okay से कहला come out बाहर बस see how I can reduce you to dust with a touch of my hand. मु तुमको reduce करबी to dust. चला? It was a fearsome gift. It was a fearsome gift. Terrible gift, नहीं? And he used it as often as he could. As often as नो जेते थर बहुत थर करदन लिखिदन सेठी गोटे जगह लिखिदन सेमती तार गोटे करिगिरी ओके wherever he went whole kingdoms were reduced to ash सिंगुलर पर्सन कार एक whole kingdom were reduced to us. You can see now that Bhasmasura, for all his cleverness, was quite stupid. What did he get out of reducing everyone to us? Se kouchi, what did he get out? Huh? तामाने से कौन पाइबो, कौन आउटकम पाइबो, कौन रिजल्ट पाइबो? Get out of reducing everyone to us. He didn't have a single friend. You would think that Bhasmasura was intelligent enough to see that he was destroying everything around him, and that being the world's most powerful person was not helping him in the least. तारा आउ किसी friend के रहिलेन. He didn't have a single friend. So you would think, तम भावियो जे Bhasmasura was intelligent enough to see that he was destroying everything around him. समस्तों नष्ट करुछ. And that being the world's most powerful being माने becoming, most powerful person was not helping him in the least. But you know, if you think about it, the most intelligent species on the planet, the human race, human, is even now behaving much like Bhasmasura did all those thousands of years ago. So, Bhasmasura bhaliya ye bhi behave korchi, human being. Okay? Destroying the planet and destroying itself too. हमें planet को destroy करते, okay? हमें निजी को भी हमें destroy करते. Anyway, whether Bhasmasura realized his stupidity or not, he did not stop his destruction spree. So non-stop destruction period. So he didn't stop. We are also not stopping destroying the world. Till one day when he was at his regular dance class, okay, he got so annoyed with his dance master को से रागी गया. He got so annoyed, रागी वाला, that he tossed the poor man's head, and turned him to dust. Now dancing was the one thing that the demon loved. Dancing गोटे जिनस थिला से भल पाउतला. Dancing was the one thing. So when Bhasmasura realized what he had done, कौन से करिछि, but कौन से काम करदला, killed his old dance master. He went completely and totally mad. So he went mad. He went wild, turning everyone to us. Okay. So he went wild. Wild. He went into the streets and tossed the heads of everyone he could see. Went into the streets. He didn't spare anyone, neither the old nor the young. कहा को छाड़िलानी he did not spare anyone कहा को छाड़िलानी जानिछु तो did not spare माने जानिछु कहा को छाड़िलानी हला neither old nor the young those who could हला जे पारिले who could माने कोन जे पारिले try to run away run away पळेले but he ran faster and caught them and in his madness hit them on their heads shouting ताऊ बाड़ा हेड रे ताऊ हाथ मारे है shouting कौन करे you who will teach me to dance now who tell me who अरे मत ये डांस सिखेबो है then suddenly out of one of the houses on the street came a young woman है one of the houses both houses ता भीतर गोटे out of that on the street came a young woman गोटे woman असला who stood unafraid while everyone else was crying and running away everyone else बाकी सब से कौन कहला I can teach you she said आउरी कौन कहला I am a dancer although her voice was soft it was firm and strong firm जानते तो and strong Bhasmasura the world's most powerful person stopped what he was doing they bond कर and stared at her stared जानते तो कौन अनिला she smiled at him oh it had been a long time since anyone had smiled at him like that भाविला so it had been a long time since anyone had smiled he तब smile कर दिया है ना come the young woman said let's dance here okay ये पता चला भस्मासुर but she had already started dancing so gracefully so much like moving water so much like कहा भलिया moving water भलिया कहा भलिया water भलिया like leaves in the wind भलिया भी that भस्मासुर stood staring से देखी की रही fascinated and attracted by the young dancer come she said you dance too can you hear the music ये कहला म्यूजिक सुनी पारछु की he did से भी डांस कला he did माने कोन he danced he but he didn't know where it came from music could aschi but he began dancing to it he began dancing to the music slowly gracefully just like her gracefully माने जानछो सुंदर भावे हैला faster she said faster Bhasmasura danced faster the music grew faster and the women too danced they have danced like him wheeled faster okay can you keep up with me she called out मो संगे ताल दे परिबु की keep up with me can you do just what I am doing मुझे कोई तो कर परिबु की yes Bhasmasura cried I can माने जोरे कहला I can I can repeat all your movements. तोर सब movements कौन तो जो पाद ये है ना that is easy. It's very easy. The young woman danced faster and faster. Her feet were so quick, है ना, that they hardly touched the ground. They hardly touched the ground. माने चल, है ना, माने टच कर नो ग्राउंड, है ना, इतने क्विक. बुझी पारछो? She flung her arms now to the left. Flung माने कौन? थ्रो करिया. हाँ? Flung her arms. Fling रो past tense. क्या रो? Now to the right. Right को पकेला, left को पकेला. Now she bent. Bent क्या रो past tense? Bend रो क्या रो? Now she stood straight again. छिड़ाला. Without a moment stop. है ना? हमारा रेस्ट नहीं. हाँ. A moment's pause till it looked as if there was no woman there. है ना? Without a moment's pause till it looked as if there was no woman there. केही नथिले एते जोर कला जे किछि शून्य हो गला. Just dance. ହେଲା, just dance. And Bhaskasura kept up with her. Kept up with her. Following every moment. सबू every moment ताको से follow कला. Following every moment तार. Every tap of her foot. Tap माने जो शब्द tap. Okay. पाद शब्द. Every tap of her foot. Okay. Every fling of her arm. Yes. ହେଲା, every fling of her arm. एटी fling कौन? एटा noun टा. एटा हला noun टा. ହେଲା, एटा किंतु verb थिला. Every fling माने तभी हाथ ये. Till suddenly, without warning, she placed both her hands on top of her head. Okay, she रखीदेला. She placed both her hands on top of her head. हैला, निजे रखीदेला. She placed both her hands on top of her निज मुंडे से ओमेन रखीदेला. And Bhaskasura, the most powerful person in the world, tossed his head to से भी रखीदेला निजे ताको देखिकी. हैला, with both his hands निज हाथ भी रखीदेला से. तार दीजे जाक हाथ. And before he knew it, before he could even cry out, कांदी भी पारेनी, or stop himself, हैला, हाथ भी नहीं भी पारेनी. He was a heap of ass. से गोटे पाउस गदा है गला. Heap कौन? गदा. पाउस गदा है. And fell silently, हैला, at the feet of the woman. Fell टा कार past tense. Fell टा कहार past tense. Fell टा कहार fall. पड़ी वाला. Fall present रे. Fall वा fall down, fell down. हैला, बुझलो तो? सेटा feel ला fell. हैला, से fell suddenly at the feet of the woman. Some say that the young woman was a goddess. हैला, who had been sent. ताकू पठाईची. Who had been sent माने कौन? ताकू पठाई दिला. To earth टू डिस्ट्रॉय भस्मासुर, भस्मासुर को डिस्ट्रॉय करियो। डिस्ट्रॉय माने जानछि तो हु हैड नॉट प्रोटेक्टेड हिमसेल्फ, भस्मासुर भस्मासुर विषय कहूँ, हु हैड नॉट प्रोटेक्टेड हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम हिज ओन पावर, निज पावर भी तार से निजे जान नथिला केमती प्रोटेक्ट करियो निजे हैला। पीपल हु लव पावर आर ऑफन लाइक दैट, हमें जो माने पावर माने सीख करते पावर चाहते आमे भी से बड़े हैला। एंड सो भस्मासुर टर्न हिमसेल्फ टू भस्म हैला, तो से निजे करदेला, निजको भस्म करदेला। Is this a real story? I don't know, but I still believe in it because I have found that a story need not always be real. हैला, need not always be real. सब need not always be real माने सब स्टोरी टा रियल हवा दरकार नहीं हैला, टू बी ट्रू हैला, रियल टू बी ट्रू। एंड आई थिंक देयर इज ए लॉट ऑफ ट्रूथ इन द स्टोरी ऑफ भस्मासुर। बहुत गुड़े ट्रूथ अच्छी, आम केमती नष्ट करते, जंगल नष्ट करते, आम केमती आम निजर पावर के यूज करते हैला, आम निज पावर यूज करते, आम निज पावर यूज कर नेक्स्ट में मरछे हैला।